...2017 off with our shop car, the Ferrari 458 Spider. Wrap it the same color as the McLaren that's behind me, and we're gonna try to finish both together. Technically that McLaren could be our shop car too. One of our customers just showed up. We are gonna fix some of his wraps that he had done probably a long time ago, judging by the wrap. We are gonna rewrap his rear bumper. The wrap is already off. It's red right now. It has to go back to white. And also his handle has some issues too, where we're gonna rewrap for him again. We have GTR here, and here's what he wants to do, and we got it printed out, so it's easier for us to see. And here's how we're gonna. Sunshine when she Testing. Can you guys see me? Look over here, guys. We took apart the McLaren. all those stuff that we took apart is all on this shelf right here. We had the lower fender. We have the lower fender. We have the headlights. We got the rear diffuser for the back. First thing we wrap, or first thing he wrapped, is always the hood. Doesn't matter what car, it's always the hood first. And then once the hood is done, starts from the fender, and he works his way back. Usually our bumpers are always last, like mirrors, but this one's carbon fiber, so there's no need.
Oh yeah, oh Lord, you gotta give to get to know. Oh yeah, oh Lord, you gotta. Oh yeah, oh Lord, you gotta. Oh yeah, oh Lord, you gotta. Oh yeah, Lord, you gotta. Oh yeah, Lord.